This is how to fix Facebook Messenger notification won't go away. So guys, if you are having problem with your notification in Messenger, what you could try to do is just simply change some settings into the application. So in order for you to do that, guys, you can just simply go for the settings into your device. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down and find the apps over here. So here on the apps, you should be able to see all of your application installed into your phone. So let's go ahead and try to find the Messenger over here and go ahead and tap on it. And here on the Messenger application, you could do a bunch of stuff over here, like reset the application or manage your permissions. And if you scroll down, you should be able to see here notifications. So go ahead and tap on that. And as you can see here down below, you could be specific and turn off specific notifications. And you should be able to make some changes over here. And if you want to completely turn off your messenger notification, you can just simply tap on the show notifications at the very top and everything will be shut off. But you can also filter it out based on your preferences. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching.